Hello friends, welcome back to another video. And this video I'm going to show you the live price changes occur in the XRP Ripple coin in the last 1 hour. So before starting this video, kindly hit the subscribe button if you listen my voice. So please hit the subscribe button and complete my 3K subscriber. Now let's see what change occurs in the XRP Ripple coin in the previous last 1 hour, 2 hour. Let's see the change of XRP Ripple coin in the market. Oh my god, absolutely bad news for all XRP Ripple holder. First of all, we look the chart analysis of XRP Ripple coin of the last 2 hour. As you can see now on the screen of the XRP Ripple coin, the chart tell us that the XRP Ripple coin now currently falls down, as you can see here. After a little jump, they are falls down, as you can see on the graph. At this period, they are in falls. So it's the best time to sell it. I think. What's your suggestion? Please share in the comment box, because I am also holder of XRP Ripple coin. So please share your opinion about XRP Ripple coin. So as you can see here, the change of XRP Ripple coin in the previous last 2 hour is negative 0.18% occurs in XRP Ripple coin in the market of crypto. Now the high price of XRP Ripple coin in the last 2 hour is $0.567939 is the high price of XRP Ripple coin in the previous last 2 hour. So that's a very bad news. That's a very bad change in the XRP Ripple coin because they falls in the last 2 hour continuously. Now let's see what's changed occur in the last 1 hour. What's the change? Oh my god, as you can see here, after a little jump they falls down again. So that is why the change is in positive, but soon they are in negative. As you can see here, as they continue their dumping time, so they soon the change is in negative. The changes is currently as a positive 0.32% occur in a XRP Ripple coin in the last 1 hour. High price of XRP Ripple coin is about $0.567899 is the high price of XRP Ripple coin in the last 1 hour. So that is the live price changes occur in the XRP Ripple coin in the last 1 hour. In the last 2 hour, you're watching on ABS Tech channel. So kindly hit the subscribe button for more latest news and update about XRP Ripple coin and more cryptocurrency markets updates.